Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here, your friendly travel blogger from Walk Me to the World. Welcome to my latest video, a walking tour of Portugal's Algarve Coastline in 2023. Portugal's stunning and sunny coastline is a must-visit, and so I'm excited to take you on a virtual tour. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop me a comment before we begin. Let's go. As we walk along the coastline, we can see the rich and diverse landscape, with the sun and waves that make this such a perfect place to visit. The rich culture and history of the region is inaccessible, with plenty of opportunities to explore, discover, and learn. We walk off the east coast and measure our way along the coast as the sun beats down and highlights the vibrant green and blue hues. As we follow the coastline, we get to see just why this particular part of Portugal has been attracting tourists for years. Take a deep breath and become mesmerized by the scenery. We can also see some old fishermen settlements and relics of a long-lost era of Portugal's history. We go past and take a mental snapshot to remind us of our travels. If you listen closely and embrace the atmosphere, you will uncover the spirit of Portugal and its locals. As we walk by, we will notice the simplicity and subdued colors that are unique to the area that have stuck around throughout the years. Lastly, don't forget the delicious and mouth-watering food. The restaurants typically serve traditional Portuguese cuisine, and the food has really become a highlight for an enjoyable day. This was just a glimpse of the beauty of Algarve Coastline, so don't forget to subscribe for more of my discoveries. I hope you enjoyed walking with me, and I will see you on my next tour. Até logo!
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!